Okay, now I'm just going to cut it out for you and get on a plate and see what it looks like. Just use a nice sharp knife, which you could do. I actually forgot to do this, but would be very helpful. If you just run your knife under hot water real quick, it would slice right through it, but you know, I forgot. That's not a big deal. So just put a little elbow grease into it. All right, pretty easy to get through. Again, because of that butter parchment paper, look how easy that just came out. I got the corner piece, so it's kind of thin over here. But see, just perfectly solidified fudge. Oh my gosh, don't you want to eat this? Okay, I'm going to taste it. It is wonderful. The coconut is really mild. The almond is really mild, but it's there, and it is so yummy. It's nice and smooth, actually kind of creamy. It's very, very smooth. And again, there's no sugar in this. There's absolutely no sugar, just honey. That's what we sweeten it with, or the coconut oil. Can you believe how healthy that is for you? Not even a sugar substitute, which, by the way, they're not that healthy for you, but that's another episode. So, and almond butter, which is better than peanut butter. Coconut oil, which is actually one of the healthiest oils you can get. I'm telling you, you can feel good about eating this fudge. This is fantastic.